Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain American Express Gold Card tips. This card is fantastic for foodies, offering 4 times points on dining and U.S. supermarkets. You also earn 3 times points on flights booked directly with airlines or through AmexTravel.com. Plus, you can get up to $240 in annual dining and Uber cash credits. While there's a $350 annual fee, these benefits can significantly reduce that cost. To maximize your rewards, concentrate your spending where the card shines most. That means using it for all your dining and U.S. supermarket purchases to earn 4 points per dollar. When booking flights, use your gold card to get 3 times points. Adding authorized users can also boost your point accumulation. Always pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest and keep your credit healthy. Don't leave money on the table. Make sure to use your up to $120 annual dining credit at eligible partners like Grubhub or Shake Shack. Also, utilize the up to $120 annual Uber cash credit, which is distributed as $10 each month. Regularly check Amex offers for personalized savings and bonus points. Plus, enjoy exclusive reservations through Resai Global Dining Access. While the $350 annual fee might seem high, remember the up to $240 in dining and Uber credits significantly reduce the net cost. Membership rewards points can be incredibly valuable, especially when transferred to airline or hotel partners, often exceeding 1 cent per point. Assess your spending to ensure this card aligns with your lifestyle and provides excellent value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.